Welcome to our tutorial on corner trims. I'm going to create a corner between these two lines. For this, I need to activate the corner command. The corner definition dialog window opens. Under element 1, select this line. For element 2, I'll select this line. The radius value will be 30 millimeters. I'll also enable Trim Element 1 and 2, and then click OK. Let's hide the axis system. Right-click, Hide. Now we can see our corner better. What's happened here? Line 1 and line 2, which used to be here, are now in hide mode, right here. This entire wireframe geometry is now represented in corner dot 1 in the specification tree. To change the radius, I can expand the tree, double-click on the parameter, and change the value right here, let's say to 35. Tab and OK. And this concludes our tutorial on corner trims.